Hey, here comes the new boat. Oh yeah.
We're ready, baby. 10 foot.
10 foot?
Flat bottom. John boat.
John boat.
Last year,
Whoa.
you guys gave us so much crap for not having a flat bottom boat that we were calling a John boat. Can't hate on us anymore. We spent $100 on this boat. Absolute steal. We also got this Johnson 10 horse motor. $50 for the Johnson motor. It's currently locked up. The guy hasn't had it ran in 10 years.
This boat's awfully small, if you ask me. Oh.
Aluminum.
Oh, sure.
It's
What in the world?
oh yeah, don't mind the mushrooms that are growing in the transom. I did it last year.
Let's get this thing on the stand. Just about everything on this motor is seized, including this, these. We got nothing. That's pretty seized on there. So what we're gonna do here, we're probably gonna give this a few taps. Might have to take it off, see what's going on underneath here. We're also gonna take a look into the cylinders here. We're gonna pop off these spark plugs and probably spray some sort of lubricant in there. Make sure they're all good.
We're just gonna move some of these cables out of the way so we can get at this upper spark plug. We got a 13/16 wrench. We're gonna pop these spark plugs out.
Let's see the spark plug.
There's a lot of water in
That's
there.
not a good sign. Look at the. Oh my goodness.
This whole thing's filled with water.
In 10 years, but we're gonna get it going in
Oh.
a true Shelly Shell fashion.
Look at how much water.
No.
All that water's coming out of there.
Uh-oh.
Hopefully we can just get scanned. Same thing.
That's it. Oh, no. Maybe we should try and dump it and see how much comes out. Oh my.
That is a lot of water.
Oh my gosh. No.
How much it filled up down here.
Yeah, I saw that. Alright. What is this? Come on. Alright, so we've decided to take, instead of banging on this and trying to break free, based on just all the water and everything going on with these spark plugs, we're just going to take off our head. We might need a new gasket in the future then, but we really want to see what's going on inside of there. Well, that is on there. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just hurt my shoulder. I feel like it's going. Maybe a little. Maybe not. Alright, we got out the Bosch tool. Nothing. We need some heat, I think. We're gonna take these off, put some heat on this, and try again. Taking off our coils. Freed up this area. All right, we've been missing our propane torch for a little bit here, so we're gonna be using some lighters. Gonna modify them slightly here. Oh, that's good. Oh. All right, that one got too hot. Boom. All right. Still nothing. Nope. Yeah, so we just slightly rounded that off. Dang it. Huh. Oh yeah, now it's rounded. It's never coming out.
Bummer.
Well, let's bang on this flywheel a little bit, see if we can get it to loosen up. Maybe tighten these ones back down and maybe get it running, you know?
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So we can't get the head bolts off, we can't get the flywheel off, so I think we're just going to take a big break on our engine portion here and take a look at the lower end. Hey, it's coming right off.
Right.
Ooh, crusty.
And it's a little crusty.
What does the other piece look like?
Not great, not horrible.
Oh, that's nice. All right, there's our shear pin right there. I mean, that doesn't look. I mean, yeah, it's bad, but could be worse.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think what's next is these on the bottom here.
Flat or the
Yeah,
Phillips?
yeah, it comes off. Big Phillips.
You give me a big Phillips?
What's the magic word?
Boy.
Bro.
Sure.
So we're having a hard time getting these off, and we don't really want to strip them. I mean, there's 6 of them, and none of them have moved an inch. So we're just gonna check for oil here. Oh. This is a good sign.
Oh.
Oh,
A little water.
there's water. It has a strong smell.
Good.
So this is way better than our last one.
Yeah. For the lower unit.
We've got actual oil in there. A little water came out, but I don't know, it's not milky.
No, it's not. It's really thick. More thick than milky. I mean,
But it has been sitting, so maybe it's separated.
and it doesn't really look like there's like any metallic-ness in there either.
Got it? Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right, hit me. All right, so we've determined that our lower end, without taking it apart, it's in good condition. There was a little bit of water in there. I mean, I guess it's not in the best condition, but it'll work. We're in neutral right now. And then forward, stops, something's catching, but it is locked up, so it shouldn't spin over. Can reverse. Everything seems to be working fine. We've got a good lower unit. Unfortunately, I cannot say the same about our Johnson 10 workhorse engine here. She is past her prime. Filled with water for that long. Our piston rings are probably seized to our cylinders. And there's not much we can do about that. I don't know what the parts market looks like for this. I doubt it's easy to find all the parts we need. So what we're gonna do here, we have a different idea.
So, unfortunately, we have a bad motor. A bad motor.
Yep.
Unfortunately, we have a bad motor, but good thing for us, we have a solution. So, against Shelly's wishes, we have decided we're going to take the motor out of this mower and install it into our
Wow,
Johnson.
that's a tongue twister.
It is a tongue twister.
It's got us a few times
A
already.
Johnson 10 workhorse.